students. Today we are learn about Indian currency. That is chapter 5. What it means? What do you know about currency and how many types of currencies in our India? All are things we today learn about these topics. Now first we have to know what is currency. That is the money or which is used in day-to-day activities for our. It is a currency is a specific money used for the money used by the money used in a specific country the money used in a specific country is called currency. It means हम जैसे भारत में इन इंडिया हम जो यूज करते हैं पैसे जो मनी यूज करते हैं उसे हम बोलते हैं करेंसी. इन इंडिया में कौन सा करेंसी यूज होती है? इंडियन करेंसी is called rupee. It is called rupee because in India we use rupee. Like this we use, the other countries also use their own currency. And in this class we learn about Indian currency. Indian currency is called rupee. Its symbol is Indian rupee symbol is this one. This is the symbol of Indian currency. Whenever we go in bank or money connected institutions, we see that they use this mark as a rupee. If we write in books and also in checks or in any way where we use the money, writing the amount, then we write this symbol as rupee because this symbol shows that it is the amount, it is the currency of India. It is the currency of India. In India, there are many types of currencies and coins. First, in the nearly 100 years ago or 50 to 100 years ago, we know that 1 rupee, 1 paise coin, 2 paise coin, then 5 paise, then 10 paise, and 25 paise, 50 paise, and 1 rupee. These are the coins which are used in between the 50 to 100 years. Now, today, in the nowadays, we are using coins only, that is 1 rupee. Today, we use coins of 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. These coins are used nowadays. We use this type of coins, and now we also use notes. These are currencies, coins. These are coins, but we also use notes also. That is currency, Indian currency, notes. They are in the last, before in 19th century, we are using that 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, now we are using that now, and 500 rupees, 1000 rupees. But after 2016, after 2016, we are using that 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupees note, 100, 500 no, then 2000 rupee note, and 200 100 and 200 rupee notes. Like this, today we are using these type of notes. Now we can learn about the currencies. That is, paise will be shown as the symbol of rupees is shown before the rupees. That is, if we write that is rupees 5.75, it means it is 5 rupees and 75 paise. Like this we have to denominate them. Before point, whatever number is given, that is in rupees, and after point it is in paises. So like this we have to identify the amount and we write it in the words. Now the 5.1 exercise will be done for, I will explain that 5.1, under which we know how we have to write the amount of money in words. Write the amount of money in words. That is, in question they give the numbers in numerals. They give questions in numerals. That is, first one, rupees 8.36. It means rupees 8.36 means we have to write it as 8 rupees, EIGHT 8 rupees and 36 paise. And the second one, B 18.05. 18.05. It means 18, EIGHT EEN 18 rupees and 5 paise. Here the 0 is given in the tens place, so ones will be only 5. That it means we have to write it as 5 paise. Now third one, that is C 60.50. 69.50. It means 69 rupees and 50 paise. Like this you have to write the amount in words. Now we are going to solve the question number 2. That is, the question is given in words, but we have to write it in the numerals. In the reverse of this question. Here the numerals are given, we have to write it in the words, but in question number 2, the question is given in words. Write amount of money in digits. Write amount of money in figures or digits. That is 50 rupees and 30 paise. First one is 50 rupees and 30 paise. Here we have to take the rupees first. Rupees first as a symbol. Rupees, then 50, then and here 30 paise means we have to put point, then 30. Like this we have to write them in the figures. Now question number 2, under question number 2 we do that third one, that is 3. 48 rupees and 55 paise. 48 rupees and 55 paise. Here again we have to put the symbol, that is rupees, and 48 paise means before writing paise we have to put a point and then write the paise. It is 55. 48 rupees 55. Like this we have to do the second question. Now we are going to solve the question number 3, that is in the fill in the blanks. Complete the blanks. Complete the blanks. Complete the blanks. Here we have to, there are 10 paise in rupees 10. It means there are dash 10 paise in 10 rupees. It means if 1 rupee equals 100 paise, then how much 10 paise? How much 10 paises are in rupees 10? If 1 rupee equals 10 into 10 paise, then rupees 1 rupee equals 20 into 5. Here we have to write in this way. 5 coins of 20 paise and it is equal to 1 rupee. Then rupee 1 equals 2 into 50 paise. That is 2 coin of 50 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Then rupee 1 equals 1 rupee coin. 1 paise equals to rupee 1 equals to 1. It means there are 1 rupee into 100 means 10 into 1 means 10 into 10. It is 100. Now it will be 100 coins of 10 paise are equal to rupees 10. Here we have taken that rupee 1 is equal to 10 paise into 10. It means it will be equal to 10. Here what we have to do? We have to find the coins of 10 paise in 10 rupees. It means 10 coins of 1 rupee. In 1 rupee there are 10 coins, and if we have 10 so much such coins, then it is 100. If we have if we have 100 coins of 10 paise, then we have the equal, it is equal to 10 rupees. Same way, there is second one. There are dash 10 paise, rupees 10 in 200. Rupees 10, there are dash rupees 10 in rupees 200. It means if we have 10 rupee notes, 10 equals 100, then what it means? Then 220 into 10 equals 200. Then here it is 20. 20 notes of 10 rupees. 20 notes of 10 rupees is equal to 200. And third one is there are 25 paise in rupees 4. Third one, there are dash 25 paise in rupees 4. In 25, 1 rupee equals 25 into 4. Then what is the amount of 4? That is 25. 4 into 4, that is 16. Here 16 coins are equal of 25 paise in rupees 4. In the same way, the fourth one, there are rupees 5 in 60. There are rupees dash 5 in rupees 60. It means by dividing that 60 by 5, it is 12. 12 TWELV 12 notes of rupees 5 in rupees 60. Like this we have to solve the questions. Now we are going to write fourth, that is identifying the notes and writing the notes name. Add the given notes and coins in each row and write your answer in the words and figures. There are some coins and notes are given. We have to add them Then simply write the answer of that row's money. Question 4. First one is 100 rupees. Second one is 50. I have adding that one, that is add the notes. And add the given notes and coins and write the answer. So first question is, that is first note is 100 plus second note is 50 plus third note is fourth note is 2 rupees, then plus 1 rupee plus 5 rupees coin, that is 5 rupees coin. Now we have to add it, that 100 plus 50, 150 plus 20, 170 plus 2, 172, then 173, then 5. 173 plus 5, it is 178. We have to write it as rupees 178. Like this, we have to write the total of given notes and coins. Today I will stop here only.